them jack like Jack. Him like that, him and that like that. They were like, Pop, why you all like that? Why you talk like that? Why you all like that?
Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own brush stamp in Procreate. So go ahead and open the app, click on the plus in the top right corner and open a standard square canvas. Once your page is open, you'll want to open up your preferred internet browser and search for whatever you want to turn into a stamp. I'll be using an animal silhouette just to start off for this video. It's just basic, but once you understand how to do it, you can make whatever you want into a stamp. Now you'll just want to have a look through and choose whichever image you think is best to use. I'm going to be using a bear stamp seeing as I'm going to need it for a future video. You don't need to worry about the image being too high of a quality because we will be tracing over it and making our own lines. Go ahead and save the image and go back into the Procreate app. Once you're there, you want to click on the spanner icon in the top left and choose Insert Image. Once it's on the page, just go ahead and resize it. This is only so that you can see it a bit better whilst you're going to be drawing over it. Once you've done that, open up your layers and double click on that layer. This will give you the option to lower the opacity. This is just so you can see it better. Now open a new layer and drag that one to the top. Change your colour to black and select any sort of inking pen you prefer. Depending on what image you've chosen, this part is either going to be quite easy or quite hard. All you want to do is zoom in and just trace over it, making sure there's no breaks in any of the lines. When you've finished drawing your image, you just want to zoom out and delete that bottom layer. Then when that's gone, you can fill your image in the full colour that you've used, the same as the outlines. This should be black. Then from here, you'll want to go into the Actions tab in the top left corner, click on Share and save your image as either a PDF or a JPEG. Both are fine. Now you'll want to clear your page and open the brush library. And then when you've opened that, you can click on the plus and this should open up the brush studio. Once that's opened, on the left side you should see some different options. To start, you'll want to go to shape, then click edit and import. This is where you'll import the image that you've just saved, and using two fingers, if you click on the page you can invert the image, then click done. Now you'll want to go back to that left side and click on stroke path and move spacing and streamline to 100%. Then you'll want to go to Apple Pencil and drag the opacity down to 0. After that you'll want to go into properties, which should be just underneath Apple Pencil. This is where you can change the maximum and minimum size of the stamp that you want to make. Then you'll want to click done. And that is how you make a stamp in Procreate. Very simple, very easy, and you can do this with anything. Please let me know in the comments if you found this easy to follow, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.